Hey everyone, welcome back. It's time to learn how to enable screenshots on your Apple Watch. Taking screenshots on your Apple Watch is a great way to capture and share what's on your screen, whether it's a fitness achievement or a notification or a cool watch face. However, this feature isn't enabled by default. That said, let me show you how it's done the right way. So first off, launch the Watch app on your connected iPhone. And then you have to scroll down a bit and choose the general option. And then you have to scroll down to the bottom, and then you have to turn on the toggle right next to enable screenshots, and you are good to go. Alternatively, you can also enable it directly on your Apple Watch. To do so, open the Settings app on your Apple Watch and then tap General. And then you have to select the screenshots option. And then you have to turn on the toggle right next to enable screenshots. Once enabled, you can capture a screenshots on your Apple Watch by pressing the digital crown and the side button simultaneously. You'll see the screen flash briefly, indicating that the screenshot has been taken successfully. The screenshot will automatically be saved to the Photos app on your paired iPhone, where you can view, edit, and share it as needed. And that's about it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and do subscribe for more such handy Apple Watch tips and tricks. Now I'll catch you up in the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.